Behind this door is a shape that changed car history, and it hasn't moved in decades. Today, we bring it back. A 1961 E-Type. The long bonnet, the covered lights. This is the car that stunned Geneva in '61, and now it's a forgotten time capsule with a seized heart. Rule 1. We don't rush legends. We document everything, then rebuild it like it's the first one. This moment decides it. Scrap or resurrection. Let's take it home and earn that first start.
First wash is always magic because you meet the real paint under the years. And yes, it's still good news, it's complete. Bad news, everything rubber is cracked and the engine won't turn at all.
If you want perfect, you stay organized. Every bolt gets a home because this car deserves precision. Here's the famous view, bonnet forward like a masterpiece on a hinge. Now, let's see why it's silent. Step 1 is cleanup and safety. Old fluids out. Decades of neglect, gone. This straight 6 is legendary, but varnish is glue. If it's stuck, we free it gently, no brute force.
There it is, the moment every restorer dreads, seized. But that just means we go deeper. Cleaning isn't glamorous, but it's where the comeback starts. Every passage cleared, every surface checked.
New bearings, fresh rings, torque to spec. We're not just fixing an engine, we're resetting time. Fuel and air have to dance perfectly. These carbs need patience, because this car's where it belongs. Slow, straight, perfect alignment. One wrong angle and you scratch history. Power is useless without control. New bushings, fresh joints, so it drives like a blade, not a boat. This is the satisfying part. Rust erased. Underneath, the original shape is still strong. We only replace what's needed. Strong, clean metal. Smooth welds. Because the botch the reflection, every tap is a sentence in the comeback. Curves restored, not rebuilt into something else. Panel gaps are honesty. If the lines aren't right, the whole car feels wrong. Primer is the reset button. It reveals every flaw, and today, it reveals Gunmetal Grey, deep, elegant, dangerous. This is the moment viewers wait for. Clear coat is the glass over the story. One clean reflection. And suddenly, hazy, then perfect. Wet sand, polish, repeat. This is where good becomes wappers. Chrome is jewelry. If it's dull, the car feels tired. If it shines, the inside is where you fall in love. Tan leather brought back. Soft, clean, still classic. Gauges matter because they're your conversation with the car. If the needles lie, the drive never feels safe. The part nobody celebrates? Wiring. But reliability is what makes a restoration feel real. These headlamp covers are the signature. New seals, clean edges. One detail like this, wire wheels back on, instant elegance. Now it's not a project, it's a car again.
Okay, quiet moment, fresh fuel, fresh spark, and decades of silence about to be tested in one turn. Come on. Yes, there it is. That straight 6 voice. Not loud, just confident. Look at the light on that bonnet. This is the payoff. From dust to mirror in one. Steering tight, brakes confident, throttle smooth. This isn't a museum piece, it's a living machine again.
Every line was drawn to stop people mid-step. And today, it works, because now it's restored us. A 1961 icon, reborn in gunmetal grey, with its tan cockpit ready for another lifetime.
Comment the next legendary car you want restored, then subscribe. We're bringing classics back.